ISO 30422-2022 Human Resource Management, Learning and Development. Learning and development play a vital role in every organization. This guidance standard offers a clear framework for how organizations should design, manage, implement, and assess employee training and development initiatives. It supports organizations by ensuring that employees' skills and competencies are aligned with business objectives, that learning and development activities contribute to both immediate operational needs and long-term capability growth, and that individuals are encouraged in their career progression and lifelong learning. The standard applies to all organizations, public sector, private companies, and non-profit organizations, and extends to all categories of workers, including employees, contractors, interns, and volunteers. Learning can take place through both formal and informal methods, such as coaching, e-learning, classroom training, and on-the-job development, supporting workplace training and broader skills development. Rather than being a certifiable standard, ISO 30422-2022 is a guideline standard for which certification is not required. Instead, organizations may choose to obtain a letter of conformance after a verification audit has been conducted. This guideline can also easily be integrated with existing ISO standards, focusing on a specific department, its functions, and its activities through a stronger learning and development strategy. The benefits of being aligned to ISO 30422-2022 include alignment with organizational strategy, ensures that all learning and development activities are directly connected to business priorities, making training more targeted, impactful, and aligned with strategic goals. Clear measurement of training impact, establishes defined metrics to assess how effective training initiatives are, supporting informed decision-making and helping justify learning and development investments. Strengthened employee capability, provides a structured way to identify skills gaps across the organization and address them, helping build a skilled and future-ready workforce through stronger employee development. Boosted organizational performance, connects learning outcomes to improvements in productivity, quality, and operational efficiency, positioning learning and development as a key contributor to business success. Higher employee engagement and retention, offers well-structured development opportunities that motivate employees, enhance career growth, and support talent retention and attraction. Need help getting started? WWISE can assist you with implementing this standard in your organization to ensure that employees' skills and competencies are aligned with business objectives. Reach out to WWISE for a gap assessment quotation and allow us to help you implement this highly beneficial standard in your organization. Our project plan includes the following steps. Step 1. Gap assessment. We review existing documentation and records, map it to the standards and legal requirements, and scope the amount of work required to conform. Step 2. Documentation. We develop your system and documentation and conduct awareness training for all staff. Step 3. Implementation. We help you to generate records and conduct various training interventions to ensure an adequate level of skills transfer. Contact us today on 086 109 9473 or our Cape Town branch on 021 525 9159. You can also email us at admin@wwise.co.za